Hey folks, ever put your iPhone on a charger and assume, yeah, I'm done with it for now, I need a break? Think again, Apple's introduced standby mode, basically drawing you right back into your device. So what's with this feature? Well, basically it tailors your iPhone experience to you when you're not using it. Though I won't lie, it's been kind of a head scratcher, lost all my hair because of it, trying to figure out where this fits in my daily grind. I'll be real with you, I've been using it kind of as a fancy picture frame, as well as a very expensive alarm clock. Now to get the most out of standby mode, there's two things you need to do. First thing you need, a little bit of power. It's not gonna work like this. There's three ways to do this. You got the powered, you could do it through MagSafe, or if you're feeling really adventurous, you can use a wireless battery pack. But this option kind of doesn't make a lot of sense, but it works. Next thing you need to consider is placement. Somewhere between a shoulder press and an incline press. Anything closer to like the flat bench, yeah, it's not gonna work. Now let's talk about accessories. And I know it seems a little silly that a new feature in the iOS operating system requires you to spend more money. From my perspective, the most important thing for standby mode is going to be visibility. Specifically, we're talking about viewing angles and glare. Now, if you got viewing angles that are a little too shallow, like this Mophie stand, you're basically going to be doing this weird head bobbing thing in order to see your iPhone. And when it comes to glare, well, this is kind of terrible because, well, we've got lights on our ceilings. So basically, anything like this Mophie charge stand, which has a fixed viewing angle, isn't really going to cut it for standby mode. Monty, can you help me get rid of this? So what accessories are going to make standby mode actually work for you? Everything I'm going to show you, the product links are, well, below. I'm a reviewer, not an influencer, so no one is paying me to have their products show up in this video, although I do feature a brand heavily because it just works with standby mode. For those who are married to their MagSafe charger, get something like this Spigen stand. You just pop the MagSafe charger in, and you can use standby mode. Now, if you feel this setup is a little too bulky, go with this Belkin MagSafe compatible charger. It's the only one in my collection that has an adjustable kickstand. This product does not charge fast, but at least you can do this. Now, if you want something a little more seamless, say with a wallet or a grip, these ESR wallets that come with hinges are gonna be your best friend. Again, you'll have to plug it in, and this is a little messy. Products like this Moth wallet with the fixed angle, it's gonna be annoying to deal with in terms of glare. Now, for those who are wanting to set up standby mode kind of in your fortress of solitude at home or in your office, products from Anker are gonna be your best bet. Out of the gazillion multi-chargers that I've tested over the last couple of years, the ones from Anker's offer the best adjustability in terms of viewing angle. This is the Mago 633, this is the Mago 623. The 623 has a removable battery pack, so it's a wireless option if you are looking for that. Now the 622 and 633, they are not fast chargers. They go at about 7.5 watts. If you want something that's fast and adjustable, go with the Anker 3-in-1 Cube. This thing is awesome, but these two are cheaper, so pick your poison. So Monty, did we miss anything? Those are the best accessories from my perspective that you can get for standby mode. I'm kind of curious to know what you guys are going to end up with, so let me know in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that next time Monty and I show up on the internet, you get notified. Thanks for watching.